Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about iMessage pictures not loading, showing or downloading on your iPhone. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end because I will give you some solutions about this problem. I hope your problem will be solved after watching my video. Guys, first of all, open setting application and check your internet connection is available. For that, turn on airplane mode. After few seconds, turn back if off. Here guys, turn back off after few seconds. Now close this window and open the Safari browser and search any website for checking the internet connection is working or not. And after that, open App Store application and search here iMessage application. Here, tap on it. Here guys, if update button is available, now first update your application. Now close this window. If update available, now update. And now tap on setting application, scroll down and find out iMessage. Here tap on it and must be turn on iMessage from here. And now scroll down guys, if you have MMS message button available, make sure turn on MMS message here, but I have no available at this time. Now go back from here. Must be see the next solution is tap on general. Guys, once time check the iPhone space, if space available. If not available, now offload extra application on your iPhone. Here guys, but I have more than space available on my iPhone. Now scroll down and simply tap on software update. If software update is available, now update the software before. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.